This is how I make $300 a day selling PDFs using ChatGPT. I'm also going to show you how to create a PDF with AI that can be worth six figures. It sounds crazy, but let me explain. Before I start this presentation, here is the income proof. I'm doing this in real time. Let me show you one of my PDF stores. Just today alone, November 17th, 2025, this PDF store has made over $300. I'll go ahead and refresh it again, $309. And today is still not over yet. So make sure to stick to the end because I will also be putting you onto a cheat code system you can use to start a high profit PDF business as soon as today, regardless of your experience level, and without doing all of the groundwork. First of all, why PDFs? The smart hustle. There is no shipping, no stock, and no stress. You are selling digital items. They sell, you sit back, and you get paid. It works while you sleep because every time a customer checks out, the system automatically sends them the digital file as if it were an email. Your ideas equal your income. Any problem you can think of that can be solved can be turned into a PDF and sold over and over again. You create a PDF one time and it sells continuously while you go on with your day. That is the beauty of this business. It is better than any other side hustle because other side hustles come with deadlines, revisions, management, bosses, editors, packaging, shipping, and delivery problems. If you sell physical products, you have to do the same job repeatedly and hope the customer is happy. If you operate like an agency, you risk refunds and the loss of your hard work along with the stress, high costs, and lack of creative freedom. With the PDF business, there are no clients, no deadlines, no revisions, no packaging, no shipping, and no delivery issues. If you bought products overseas, you would deal with all that stress. With PDFs, none of it exists. You make a digital file once and sell it repeatedly. You keep all the money, you avoid taxes, tariffs, and expensive costs. There is no stress, no cost, and no overhead. PDFs sell in the background while you live your life and spend time with family. Take it from me. My name is Frank. I used to work a 9-to-5 job, which proves anyone can learn and operate one of these PDF businesses. I have scaled this to the point where I have thousands of PDF sales coming in, and it has allowed me to have time freedom and travel the world. Step one is validating a niche and proving that people in that market are willing to pay to solve a specific problem. In this example, the niche is watercolor painting. The specific opportunity I notice is watercolor painting for people who are just starting out. To validate demand, I go to a site like Udemy where people buy courses. I found a course called Watercolor Painting for Beginners. 30,672 people each paid $9.99 to learn how to paint using watercolor. This course has generated $306,413. That is enough proof that people are willing to pay to learn how to paint using watercolor. So let us continue developing a PDF business around this. Now we use YouTube Shorts and TikTok to search for watercolor painting for beginners. We look for short videos with millions of views. We know it is a high demand, low competition niche because these videos get millions of views, but no one is monetizing the topic or building an educational business around it. The key is focusing on one clear outcome, just like the course did. Micro problems sell the best. People want to learn a specific type of painting, not general painting knowledge. So a good example of a good PDF topic would teach a specific set of people who are beginners how to paint using watercolor. This becomes your moneymaker. Step two is using ChatGPT to write your PDF content. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Create a 10-page beginner-friendly guide on watercolor painting for beginners. Include tools needed, step-by-step instructions, time estimates, tool alternatives, and a final checklist. Write everything with simple, clear language and scannable sections. You can pause the video and copy this prompt if you choose this niche. Also generate a tool list, common mistakes, and a shopping list. All of this becomes the backbone of your PDF, so customers receive everything they need and end up satisfied. Next, use Canva to design the front page of your digital PDF. Choose an instructional manual template with a clean cover, table of contents, step-by-step pages, tool icons, visual instructions, and checklists. Search Canva for watercolor painting or painting guide for beginners. You will find many templates to edit for your front page ebook cover. Keep everything simple, clean, and beginner friendly. Export it as a PDF, because that format is easiest for customers to open. Then brand your product so it feels premium. Choose a simple brand name for your niche. Create a clean logo and select 3 brand colors. Use the same font across all products so customers recognize your style. Create mockups by showing your PDF pages on an iPhone or iPad. ChatGPT can generate these as well. These branding elements will also be used in your ads because paid ads are part of your marketing strategy. Next, build a landing page using an AI tool called Base44. This is where people will view and buy your product. They will see your product title, your mockups, and the main problem your guide solves. I opened Base44 and told it, create a landing page selling a beginner-friendly watercolor painting guide. It generated the entire site. It looks great with a clean headline, clear benefits, a buy button, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a simple visual layout. You can customize it, publish it, add your domain, set your price between $9 to $19, and connect your payment method. This becomes your digital sales engine that generates money while solving problems for people. The next step is using ChatGPT to generate AI image ads. You do not need to physically paint for content. You can generate all of it with AI. Use this prompt. Create a realistic photo of a person painting using watercolor in a minimalist home interior. You can also create before and after images to build trust. These will become your creative assets for meta ads. The budget is only $5 a day. The next step is running meta ads at $5 a day with interest targeting. Run paid traffic directly to the landing page. Choose a sales or conversion campaign. Target interests such as painting, art, watercolor painting, watercolor art, fine art, illustration, artistic painting. Use your AI mockups and images. Use text like learn how to paint using watercolor in just a few days. The call to action is download now or grab your PDF. Now, you can also go the organic route. Build a TikTok or Instagram theme page using YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos. I found several watercolor painting videos with millions of views. All you do is repost them with credit. Link your Base44 site in your bio. This is free traffic that works alongside your $5 daily ads. Post 1 to 2 videos per day. Stay niche and consistent. If you are interested, I built an entire empire doing this, and I can choose the best PDF niche for you, walk you through the exact steps, and ensure you make sales. Now, I know I packed a lot into this video, but honestly, this is just scratching the surface. There are so many hidden strategies and tricks we use for the PDF business that I can't fully cover here. Otherwise, it would turn into a full-blown course. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, this is interesting, but I'd have no idea where to start, don't worry. I created the passive PDF method for people who want to learn how to set up their own PDF business without going through the trial and error phase. It's a private system where I walk you through everything step by step. Inside, I cover how to come up with PDF ideas, how to create them even if you have no art skills, how to build out your store for maximum conversion, and most importantly, the different traffic strategies, which I personally use, that actually work. And lastly, how to put the process on repeat so your PDFs can continue selling in the background even while you're doing other things. You'll find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Of course, you can always just watch my free videos, take notes, and piece it together on your own. That works too. And honestly, most people don't even take the first step. So if you do, you're already ahead of the curve. But if you want a shortcut and prefer to have everything laid out in a clear roadmap, then the passive PDF method is designed for you. It'll take you behind the scenes and show you how I run my own digital PDF business so you can model the same process. So if you're ready to take action, hit the link in the description or pinned comment to get started. And remember, every day, new people are jumping into this and building their own PDF systems. I'll see you guys in the next video.